This morning's job is to fit a brand new set of injectors to this 2.5 diesel engine and hopefully put an end to that misfire problem. It's got to work, it has to work. But first of all, before I do that, I've been asked quite a few times about bleeding out diesel systems, so that's what I'm going to do. I've just fitted a brand new tank in this, so I've lost the fuel in the line. So a lot of people get confused about bleeding diesel, and especially on these old 2.5s, because it's like sort of old technology now and a lot of people have forgotten how to do it. But basically, I'll move this over here. Basically what we've got to do first of all is to bleed the filter. We have to bleed the filter before we bleed the pump, because air rises to the top and you could have an airlock in here. Now I've put a drip bowl underneath just to catch all the diesel. 5/8 spanner, back off here and start pumping. Now the good thing about these old 2.5s is it doesn't matter where the engine position was, it would still pump. And there she goes. Now you see it's a bit foamy. That's pumping nice now. See, there's no foam. That's done. Spin it down with your fingers. Nip it up. Oops. Make sure those pipes are not going to twist. Oh, I see, I've got my spanner. There. And then, the next thing, if we can see... I'm going to see if we can zoom in a bit. I always get this wrong as well. Where's the pump? Ah, there we are. You should be able to just to see here the bleeding screw. It's just hidden behind this pipe, but believe me, it's here. You need an 8mm or a 5/16 spanner to do that. And crack it open, and you can hear the air just out there. Wait a minute, I'll move the camera across a little bit further. See if we can get a better angle. Yeah, that's better. I have to keep turning the lens backwards and forwards because I can't, the screen, because I can't really see. So again, keep pumping away. Oh, better move my bowl. Otherwise I'll be lying in diesel all afternoon. Right. You can see it bubbling. It does take quite a long time to the air out. There she goes. And that's what you're looking for. A nice long jet of fuel. Keep pumping while you tighten it up. Just a nip. Whoops-a daisy. And that's it, you're through. So it's not too bad to do, but you must do it in that order, because if you don't, well, you'll have all sorts of trouble. I'm going to get these injectors changed, and then I shall report back. Now, once we do get it running, I've got to give this a service. And what I'm going to do is drain off the water separator off this too. It's underneath the back of the tank. Well, I don't really want to do that until I get it on the lift. So we've bled it through once, but I'll drain out that tank and then I'll have to do it again. No big deals, but that's how we do it. Alright? Hope you enjoyed that. Making your Land Rover start. That's better. Talk to you later. Bye.